So day's finally come. We're off to the Heritage Railway.
Yay!
Going to take the train for a ride for about 4 hours. I think it goes for. Excited, boys?
Yep.
Boys have never really been on a train, maybe once. But yeah, so it's gonna be cool. We're walking down, so if you're looking to do it, the showground or the footy fields where we're saying down to the station is about 500 metres apparently, so perfect place to base yourself. And you know, we're walking down there and get our tickets, and we're out of here at 9:15. So we're up very early for us. This is not your usual morning for us. We're normally still laid up in bed and trying to work into the morning, but you know, there's a station is literally just down there, so you know, we'll go in and get our tickets and see what this thing's got to do for us. Should be pretty cool. Stunning old carriage it is. Can't really show you around too much because there's heaps of people on board and don't want to be imposed on, but yeah, she's a cracker. That's some brekkie, we're just about to take off soon, but the boys are frothing. Yeah, they're that excited. So. Yeah, it's all timber and absolutely stunning in here. I think the first stop we go and do a bit of gold panning, so that should be pretty cool. Excited?
I am.
Yeah.
We're off.
Yeah.
How cool.
Really.
First stop, Lynchford Station. We do get to do a bit of gold panning, and well, no, we didn't strike a rich clearly, but a nice little gem shop you can walk through, and kids got wet as you would expect, playing around in puddles of water, but yeah, that was cool. Give us a quick look at the train. It's a little engine that could, chugging away up there. Wasn't a very long trip up here to the first station either, so yeah, no, it's been good. Jump back on now and see where we end up. So we just had a bit of a stop while they tested the water tank so we can make it up the hill. There must be a bit of a doozy of hill. Okay, there's only a little engine up there, so see what happens. We're going to not make it up, I guess. Do you reckon we're going to make it up?
No.
No. Not gonna get up the other way. Rinadeena Station. Second stop on the raft. Going to have a look at the rack and pinion set up on the train tracks, which gives it the ability to climb up the bloody big hill we just come up. Yeah, so apparently this was the first train in Australia to actually have this system. The guy that owns BHP, original owner of BHP, when he brought the copper mine in town, had to get the copper out of here obviously, so I employed a whole heap of people to build this on the recommendations of something that was written on the back of a postcard sent from Germany, which is pretty awesome. But you know, yeah, swinging around and have a look at the setup that gets this train up and down over the hill every day. Yeah, so there's little big cog wheels inside the engine that hooks into those little teeth there and pulls it up and down over the hill, which is very, very cool. That behind us is the hill we just chugged up. And there's the old girl behind us.
Not me.
What a river? Yeah, no, not the train. She's going to start getting a complete if I start calling her all these weird names, but yeah, so chugging away back there with the steam pumping out. So I reckon we just climbed 30-storey building equivalent in height in 2.5 kilometres, which for a train, pretty darn impressive, especially for something that was built near 100 years ago. So what are we going to see, bud?
We're going to see the train turn around.
Yeah, we're lined up at the turntable. We're going to bring the loco down and spin it around, which will be pretty cool. How cool was that? That's something you see every day, a couple of guys pushing a big ass like go around in a circle, but yeah, that was cool as hell. I've never seen that before, but you. it. Back. That was good. Went for about 5 hours, I think. Well, it cost $270 for a family of 4, and yeah, had 3 stops and you can get some lunch and stuff on the way, but I thought it was good.
Yeah, it was really good. Very windy in some parts and slow.
Definitely different. Yeah, we don't make a habit of doing things like this, but this is one thing we have splurged out for, so yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yep, and the kids were really excited and they really enjoyed it as well. So
everyone had a really good time.
Great day out for the whole family.
Yeah, highly recommend it. So if you're looking for something to do on this side of Tassie, I'd recommend doing the Heritage Rail. It was good. Jump on it.
Well, that's Queenstown done. What a great little stop we had here.
Yeah, Queenstown's been great. I've thoroughly enjoyed every second. It's a very different sort of place, but steeped in history, so yeah, it's been really good.
Now we're on our little way out of here. Look at this drive. I'll swing you around.
Well, you got a rock in the middle of the road.
It's a very steep and windy road and it's very narrow, so this is our only way out of here to get across to the eastern side of Tasmania.
Heading towards the Darwin Bridge. Yeah, no, this one's been a banger. Yeah, like we said, thoroughly enjoyed every second of it. If you got any comments or questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Need any hints or tips about the area. Otherwise, as usual, hit the like button.
Give us a like.
Smash that notification button and
subscribe.
And,
we really appreciate it.
And it really helps us out. So, yeah, we'll
see you on the next one.
Yeah, get through this drive and catch you on the next one. See you guys.
Bye.